got a name, what would it be and would you call into his face? If you were faced with him in all his glory, what would you ask if you had just one question? Yeah, yeah, God is good. Yeah, yeah, God is great. Yeah, yeah, yeah. One of God knows one of us. Tells us love like one of us. Just a stranger, one of us, trying to make his way home. If God had a face, what would it look like and would you want to see? If seeing meant that you would have to believe in things like heaven and in Jesus and the saints and all the prophets, and yeah, yeah, God is great. Yeah, yeah. God is good, yeah, 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 yeah. What if God was one of us? Just as love like one of us. Just a stranger, all of us, trying to make his way home. No one is calling on the phone. He's trying to make his way home, back up to